What's good, Hood Rich fam? Hood Rich Credit tabbing in. Look, Hood Rich fam, today I got a quick, very special video for y'all today. Let's get straight into it. I'm sitting at the table right now, new scenery. I'm feeling good. Hold on, I got some food here that I was eating earlier. But yeah, you guys, today we're gonna be talking about an institution that I haven't mentioned on this channel that a lot of people are running to play with. So we're gonna be talking about Bluevine. I don't know why I haven't mentioned this business line of credit. Okay, this is a business line of credit. Normally, I always mention on this channel high limit business credit cards, personal cards, personal loans, but you guys want to obtain the top of the top. A lot of you guys are business owners with a lot of business revenue. You know, you guys have active and functioning businesses where it's kind of limited if you try to get approved for business credit cards, because business credit cards, yeah, you're going to get high limit approvals if you got some income to back up and a good personal credit profile, but it's not going to be to your full potential when it comes to funding compared to a business line of credit. I've gotten people approved with business lines of credit that, you know, hit 80K, 90K, sometimes 100K, right? Because they got some good business revenue to show. And when it comes to credit cards, typically the limits, let's say the limits only go up to something like 40K, 50K max. You get what I'm saying? So an institution might be only willing to extend to you not the full amount. Obviously, they'll probably extend to like 30K, 25K, easy approvals. So that's why I'm saying, if you guys want major funding, like, you know, stacking these institutions one by one and they pull the same bureau, lines of credit, business lines of credit is the way to go. But this for the people that have, you know, a better credit profile, they got some income to show. That's where you get the big boy funding. Okay, so that's the thing, man. For the people that match that type of description, is the video for you. So we got Bluevine. I'm gonna explain the requirements real quick because it explains it on the profile. So the first data point that I want y'all to understand about Bluevine is credit lines up to 250K. So this is a good hitter. Okay, a lot of business lines of credit have high amount of funding. Okay, like I said, if you got some good business revenue, a good credit profile, it's easy to get these type of approvals. I had one of my guys, he's a Amazon FBA guy. He makes a lot of revenue. You know, he makes 500K and up a year. So anytime when it comes to these institutions asking for bank statements, pay stubs, or something like connecting your account with Plate, trust me, he's gonna get some big boy funding. Okay, especially when you connect your account with Plate. Plate is a kind of a system that some banks and credit unions use to see how much is in your, you know, how much is in your business bank account, if that makes sense. Okay, a popular institution like PenFed asks for you to connect your account with Plate. But yeah, credit lines up to 250K, rates as low as 6.2, decisions as 5 minutes, funds available on demand, draw the funds you need with the click of a button. uh okay, that's basic data points. So what I want y'all to understand about Bluevine is that they're going to be doing a soft pull on your Experian credit report. Okay, but it's not going to report to your personal credit. Just keep that in mind. Okay, and I wanted to see something else that they were explaining. Okay, here you go. Minimum qualifications. So you have to have at least a 625 FICO score on your Experian, 24 plus months in business. So let me explain this real quick. This is where it leads to you needing a shelf corporation. Okay, a lot of you guys, I've told you on this channel, right? There's certain institutions that want to see 2 years in business, right? For example, something like Dover Federal Credit Union with their business credit card applications, right? They want to see 2 years of you being in business. So you have to have an aged LLC. And I know a lot of you guys have good credit profiles, but you have a fresh LLC that you've just opened. So in this case, you need a shelf corporation. I got some steals on some shelf corporations. If you guys need some shelf corporations, hit me up. I got shelf corporations that have way higher than 2 years, 5 to 10 years for, trust me, a steal amount. Hit me up. I'll hook my Hood Rich fam up. So 24 plus months in business, uh, 40,000 in monthly revenue. This is why I say you guys have to show a little bit more revenue. This for the business owners in there that, you know, got some shit running like Amazon FBA, Turo, trucking, Airbnb, whatever it is. If you got some income to show, okay, these are the lines of credit for you. And I'm gonna break down more business lines of credit. There's a lot in the game. It's just typically I lean towards helping entrepreneurs with like a fresh LLC and just with a good credit profile, because I understand a lot of people don't have a lot of income to show. So that's my target audience. But I understand that a lot of people watch me too that, you know, already making some major revenue from, you know, their business incomes, you know, their different types of business services that they offer. So 40K in monthly revenue. Business is operating or incorporating in an eligible U.S. state. What you need to apply, basic details about you and your business. Basically your SSN, and then if you have your EIN, your articles of organization, depending what you filed. So basic details about you and your business, bank connection or bank statements for the past 3 months. So I'm guessing when it comes to bank connection, they might be asking your account to get connected with Played and the last three bank statements. Okay, business is in good standing. Okay, basically your articles of organization if you file something like an LLC. So yeah, these are the qualifications for this Bluevine Play. Y'all check out Bluevine for the people that want to obtain business lines of credit. I'm telling you, this is where the big boy funding is at. Business lines of credit. You want to obtain some business lines of credit that pull Equifax, some that pull Experian, and some that pull TransUnion, all at the same time. Line up your applications with two computers. That's the play. But if I get too deep into that, it's going to be a very long video. So for the people that want that type of information, that want to tap in with me and want to do this shit the right way, want to obtain these high limit business lines of credit, hit me up. I'll get you major funding. Trust me. I know where these institutions pull from, the right way to strategize, the timing, everything has to be perfect. One little mistake could cause you a lot of funding. Remember that in the credit game. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick little video. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich Way. Come on.